Good afternoon. My name is Shiv Kumar from the House of Akshaya. Thanks for visiting our website and YouTube presentation being done over the past few months. We solicit your patronage and support for visiting more of our presentations. We would be coming up with more presentations in the coming days. New products would be introduced, and we solicit your continued support. Today is November 14th, Thursday. This shoot is being done at 1 o'clock. I'm giving you a wrap-up of the commodities complex as things stand now. Last night, the new Fed Governor, Janet Yellen, gave a speech to the Congress wherein she had stated that the US economy needed to improve further for any withdrawal of stimulus package. This perked up the international markets, including the Wall Street last night, which closed at fresh highs yet again. Now, market has taken this cue as to be positive, and hence they suspect that the tapering would not begin from December or January, or it could only happen from March onwards. So this is continued to lead support to the international markets. Nifty opened up this morning with a gap up 100-point open, sustaining at the highs. INR is still trading flat at around the 63.20 mark to 63.30. Support is now again at the 63.80 to 64. A breach of which would take it to 65, and downside resistance is at 62.80, for a breach of which further appreciation could be seen. Markets are consolidating today. No major movements have taken place during the course of the day. After the announcements by Yellen, the Fed Governor, that immediate stimulus withdrawal may not take place, bullions have shot up from the low of around the 1268 to 1270 mark. Gold has broken the $1280, now trading at around the $1283 mark with an intraday high of 1287 and up from the low of 73.74 onwards. In dollar terms, the gold resistance will be seen now at 1290 and support at around the 1272 to 75 mark. The next major breakdown will be only on a break and close below 1270. Upside about 1290 will be seen as mild positive up to 1300. About 1300, major breakout should happen again on the upside. On the MCX, trading at around the 30,200 mark. Resistance is at 30,330, support at 30,100. A break below 30,100 could test 30,000, 29,900 and 850. On the upside, a breach of 30,300 could see 30,400 and 450. Overall, you can say that it's trading very sideways. Keep a watch on the INR moves along with the dollar breakout of above 1290 or below 1273 again for the next momentum to come in gold. Silver is now trading at 20.80 mark, up from the low of 20.50. Next breakdown below 20.5 in dollar terms could see the next bearishness. On the upside, resistance is at 21. About 21 you can see levels of 21.30. On the MCX, trading range bound with mild positive bias above 47,000 with immediate resistance at 47,350 and 47,500, and downside support is at 46,780. Below that, it is going to be the next support of 46,500. So overall, you can say that bullions are now trading with a mild positive bias, but watch out for the INR moves to see the next movement on the MCX. In dollar terms, I have given the levels and let the support or resistance be broken out for the next move in bullions. Yesterday we saw sharp downside in MCX copper from the level of 458 down up to 443. This downside immediately after a break of 450, as we have been projecting for the past few days, it tested 448, 446. Now 442 is a strong support level which needs to be broken for the next downside levels to be seen. As of now, trading between 443 to 444. On the upside, 447.60 to 448 can be seen as a resistance. So 448 to 442 is the level that needs to be watched out for, and next downside on a break below 442. In dollar terms, it's now trading at $3.17, 3.15 and 3.10 are strong pivots. On the upside, 3.22 is a strong resistance level. Crude is now trading at around the 59.40 mark. Yesterday it came down sharply once 6,000 was broken. it tested lows of around the 59.10, now up again at 59.40. 59.80 to 90 is a strong resistance zone and 59.10 is a strong support zone. Next downside in MCX terms will be on a break and close below 5900 to test 58.80 and 58.50 levels. Upside, of course, it needs to consolidate and close above 6010. Watch out for crude oil inventories today for the next major fundamental news on crude oils. Natural gas yesterday broke below the 230 level and it's now trading at around the 224 to 225 mark. So long as it sustains below 225, it remains weak. A break above 228 could test up to 230 and next upside would be on a break above 230. Fundamental news to be watched out again would be the weekly data in natural gas. Nickel yesterday broke supports and hit a low of 864. Now back again at the 873 mark. Resistance is at the 881, 882 levels, above which it could test 885 to 887. On the downside, 865 is strong support level. Once that gets broken, it could test 864 and 856, 860 in the days to come. Overall, it looks to be a sell on rises as of now, unless the INR plays a part in further weakening, which could push up the commodities. Zinc is now trading at around the 118.20 mark. Support is seen at 117.20. So long as it sustains above 118, could test 119 to 119.50. Aluminium is in a no trade zone, and lead also is consolidating at around the 132 to 133 mark. Resistance is at 134.50 and support is at 132.50 to 132. Aluminium, there is no specific levels to be given, except it's trading at the range of around 111 to 112. 110 to 114 are the levels that we see as of now. Lots of data are to come out today and tomorrow, so watch out for trades in terms of volumes that you do and trade more after the data come out so that you know the clear trend in the market. We would be coming up with more presentation in the days to come, more specifically on how to trade this market, especially since we've seen over the last month or two, the markets have not been in a single direction up or down. Since it's trading very, very sideways, I'll be coming up with more products on how to deal in this market and how to book markets and trade this accordingly. For more updates, please visit our website at www.akshayaship.com, as also our Facebook entries on Lotus Advisory Services. Have a safe and enjoyable, profitable trading day ahead. Tomorrow happens to be a holiday for the market on account of Muharram. So traders are advised not to carry over trades today and watch out for closing positions and the INR moves. Thanks and have a great day ahead. Thank you.